Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6 Mathematics, chapter 13 Symmetry. Today I am going to give you assignment 1 of this chapter. See, you have to do this assignment in your notebook. Okay? First question is there any line of symmetry in the given figure? If yes, draw all the line of symmetry. Second, in figure PQRS is a rectangle. State the line of symmetry of the rectangle. Means you have to tell the name of symmetry. Lines which are symmetrical, which are making this rectangle PQRS symmetrical. You have to tell the name of those lines. Next is write all the capital letters of the English alphabets which have more than one line of symmetry. Question number 4. Write the letters of the word mathematics which have no line of symmetry. Write the number of line of symmetry in each letter of the word symmetry. Of every word, of every letter, you have to tell the number of line of symmetry. Then you have to match the following shapes and how many number of line of symmetry that shape has. This is a fill the blanks. Open your geometry box. There are some drawing tools. Observe them and complete the following table. Okay? Then one figure is here in which you have to think that L is a line of symmetry. So you have to make the second half of the figure. Okay, so that it will become a symmetrical. Same is question number 9. Complete the figure by taking L as the line of symmetry of the whole figure. Okay, so you have to draw the second half part of that. Okay. You can do this assignment easily. Now I am going to tell you the homework solution of chapter 13, lecture number 3, in which I have given you to find out the mirror image of some letters such as O, E, M, N, P, H, L, T, S, V and X. Now see their mirror images. O will remain just like O. There will be no change in the mirror image of O. E will change. As I have told you in mirror image, right will become the left one and left one will become the right one. So see, as the strokes of E are going towards right when we write down E, so in the mirror image they are going to left. M will remain same, there is no change. There is change in N. In P also there is change. H there is no change. L there is a change in L. T there is no change. In S there is change. It is opposite S. In V there is no change and in X also there is no change. Okay. So from here you can check your homework. Thank you.